Alright, so I've got another HSP box. As you can see from the title, you know what it is. So let's get this open and see what we get inside. Okay, so first thing I look at is obviously the instructions. There is a different part in here. I'm not sure what it is. I'm going to get this open and have a look what it is quickly. Okay, instructions open. We've got your usual radio manual that goes over that. Quick start guide. Okay, so yeah, got the parts list. Still can't see what this other part is for. Got some screws. I wonder if it's like a battery adjuster to for shorty packs or something. Anyway, I have the standard Fly Sky radio. This one is the 8-bat cell type. They've been pretty reliable. This one does come with a better charger than any of the other cars. Okay, so 2 amp charger, which is better than, you know, whatever the other wall ones are, 800 milliamp or 600, whatever they were. I'll give this a test, but normally I just chuck these in the bin basically, or give them to some new racer that hasn't even got one of these. And what we've got here, my paperwork. Okay, just the charger instructions, and into the car. A couple of pins are already off when I opened it. So one of these pins is from the wing, and the other one's from the front of the body here. Taking the body off. Have all the standard stuff. Oh, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that. I don't know what I don't like how they've put the switch right there. That's a bad design. Removing that very quickly. Everything else looks pretty alright. I really want to have a look under this battery. But if I think this, yeah. Let me get this out of the bag. Yeah, okay. So what I thought, looks like this is a mount to be able to like put a shorty pack in at the back there and have it held in nice and tight. So that's nice that they've included that. So everything sort of looks like a standard old school buggy. Does remind me very much of the Lossy XXX design. It's also very much similar to the Associated B4. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes on the track. Oh, I almost forgot the most important thing. Getting the plastic off the body. And it's a nice shaped body. A bit bubbly sort of thing, but I'm sure it'll do the job. Yeah, that on switch is going to have to move. That's no good where that is. You can see it's basically, damn camera, basically squeezing on the body there, so they'll be getting moved straight away. Alright, so I'm going to charge up some packs. I'm going to take this down to the track and see how it goes. And next thing you should see is some footage from down there. And then I'll be back later to tell you what I think of how it ran. Alright, to the racetrack.
Okay, as you've seen in the video, the car gets around the track quite well. As usual for a rear motor car, it is a little bit light on the front end, but I'd say by moving a shorty up towards the front or putting a little bit of weight in the front end, that would probably help that quite a bit. Plus these front tyres don't have much grip, and I didn't have anything else on me at the time when I went up to the track. So yeah, not much else to say. It works fine. It gets around the track okay. It's not going to be as fast as a modern race car, but it's not a modern race car. It's more vintage style in how it is. But it worked quite fine, and it was easy to drive. So that's the main bits. And the charger that comes with it is way better than the other chargers that have come in these type of cars. So no problem with that. But I've actually used it a few times when I've had my normal charger going and wanted to charge more batteries. I've chucked the battery on it, and it does it very well. So in an upcoming video, I'm going to have a look at this and the Storm and show you a couple of things I only realised once I had both cars here and in hand. So if you want to see that, remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.